Bence-Jones proteins are the dash chains of immunoglobulins. Option A, heavy chains. Option B, light chains. Option C, both. Answer is option B, light chains. For detection of antibodies, more sensitive test is option A, agglutination. Option B, precipitation. Option C, CFT. Option D, flocculation. Answer is option A, agglutination. Blocking antibodies are option A, complete antibodies. Option B, incomplete antibodies. Option C, both. Option D, neither. Answer is option B, incomplete antibodies. Large, loose, fluffy clumps are formed by agglutination of option A, O antigen. Option B, H antigen. Option C, VI antigen. Option D, neither of the above. Answer is option B, H antigen. Examples of agglutination test using red cell as antigens. Option A, Vidal test. Option B, Paul Bunnell. Option C, rapid plate agglutination test. Option D, none of the above. Answer is option B, Paul Bunnell test. Examples of slide flocculation is option A, Ascoli's thermoprecipitin test. Option B, Vidal test. Option C, Kahn test. Option D, VDRL test. Answer is option D, VDRL test. The source of complement is the serum from option A, guinea pig. Option B, rabbit. Option C, mice. Option D, sheep. Answer is option A, guinea pig. Classical example of CFT is option A, Vidal test. Option B, Kahn test. Option C, Wassermann test. Option D, VDRL test. Answer is option C, Wassermann test. Heat labial substance in fresh normal sera which facilitate phagocytosis. Option A, complement. Option B, opsonin. Option C, CRF. Option D, all of the above. Answer is option A, complement. Inactivated serum is obtained by option A, heating at 60 degrees Celsius for 1 hour. Option B, heating at 56 degrees Celsius for 1 hour. Option C, heating at 56 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes. Option D, none of the above. Answer is option C, heating at 56 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes. Circulation of bacteria in the blood is known as option A, septicemia. Option B, bacteremia. Option C, pymia. Option D, none of the above. Answer is option B, bacteremia. Antibody production is the property of option A, T lymphocytes. Option B, B lymphocytes. Option C, monocytes. Option D, macrophages. Answer is option B, B lymphocytes. First organ in all animal species to become predominantly lymphoid. Option A, liver. Option B, spleen. Option C, lymph node. Option D, thymus. Answer is option C, lymph node. Largest of the lymphoid organs. Option A, thymus. Option B, lymph node. Option C, spleen. Option D, none of the above. Answer is option C, spleen. Dash act as storehouse of immunological memory. Option A, monocytes. Option B, short-lived lymphocytes. Option C, long-lived lymphocytes. Option D, plasma cells. Answer is option C, long-lived lymphocytes. Vertical transmission means option A, transmission of disease from mother to child. Option B, transmission of infection by crossing placental barrier and infect a fetus in utero. Option C, sexual transmission. Option D, transmission of disease by direct contact. Answer is option A, transmission of disease from mother to child. Exhalation is option A, enhancement of virulence. Option B, enhancement of invasiveness. Option C, variation in virulence. Option D, reduction of virulence. Answer is option A, enhancement of virulence. Prostomic disease are option A, an epidemic, option B, a pandemic, option C, creeping or smoldering epidemic, option D, disease affecting CNS. Answer is option C, creeping or smoldering epidemic. Endotoxins are detected by option A, LAL test, option B, LALA test, option C, LALI test, option D, endotoxin detection test, endotest. Answer is option A, LAL test. The metal in semen providing antibacterial activity is option A, magnesium, option B, zinc, option C, calcium, option D, iron. Answer is option B, zinc.